different ways are practiced in Jamaat Ahmadiyya. Personally, I remember that the second caliph, Hazrat Amirul Mu'mineen, used to prefer to just recite Auzubillah when the Quran was recited from the middle, because ta'awuz is a must. For whenever you read the Quran, you must do ta'awuz. And Bismillah is written in the beginning, so it was not recited because it was not there. That was his preference. The second is that to say ta'awuz as well as Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Personally, I do this because for saying Bismillah there is another reason. Not that it is written there, because Ahazur sallallahu alaihi wasallam did everything. Whatever he did, he said it began with Bismillah. So I do this because of that. Auzubillah, because it has to be done according to the Quranic injunction. And Bismillah, because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam did nothing except by saying Bismillah. So I do not mean that Bismillah is written here like in the beginning of the surah. It is because of this. And what was the third possibility you mentioned?
كانت غير كإمكانية ألف فقط.
البعض يبدأ ببسم الله والبعض يبدأ بأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فقط والبعض يبدأ بكليهما. هذا سمعته.
Without ta'awuz it is wrong. Either it should be ta'awuz plus Bismillah or ta'awuz alone, but without ta'awuz saying Bismillah is wrong.
To read from the beginning, from the middle.